Understanding data usage easily. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase that you might come across pretty often, especially when you're dealing with the internet or mobile phones. That phrase is data usage. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly in a sentence. So, let's dive in. The term data usage refers to the amount of data that is being used or consumed over a period of time. Data can mean any information you receive or send over the internet. Whether that's watching videos, browsing websites, sending emails, or downloading files. Usage is just another word for the act of using something. When put together, data usage is a way to talk about how much internet data you're using. Understanding your data usage is important because most internet service plans have a limit on how much data you can use each month. Going over this limit can result in extra charges or slower internet speeds. Knowing your data usage helps you to monitor your data consumption, avoid additional charges, stay within your data plan limits, manage your internet activities better. Let's look at some examples to see how data usage can be used in everyday conversation. I need to check my data usage to make sure I don't go over my monthly allowance. Streaming movies on high definition can significantly increase your data usage. Most smartphones allow you to set warnings to alert you when you're close to your data usage limit. These examples show data usage in practical, relatable scenarios that help to cement the understanding of its application. Here are a few tips to help manage your data usage. Connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible to avoid using your mobile data. Track which apps use the most data and limit their background activity. Adjust the settings on your phone to reduce data consumption. Consider a data plan that meets your needs if you frequently exceed your current data usage limits. And that's a wrap on data usage. I hope this video clarifies what the phrase means and why it's such an important concept in our digital world. Remember, keeping an eye on your data usage can save you from unexpected charges and help you use the internet more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting English phrases and their usages. Until then, happy learning!